In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can solve Instagram black screen problem. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to fix the black screen issue, first of all, you need to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. So for that, open Play Store. And if you see an update option here, then it means that you need to update your Instagram. After updating your Instagram, in 90% of the cases, your problem will be solved. But if the issue still persists, then what you need to do is to go to your phone settings, go to display and brightness, and from here make sure that the dark theme is disabled. After that, go back, click and hold on Instagram's icon, and then click on this app info option. Go to storage and cache, and from here all you have to do is to first click on this clear cache option and then click on clear storage. And once you have done that, your problem will be solved. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.